Hi everyone, welcome to Civil Software Library. So in this video, we are going to learn about reference text, like how to add two or more surfaces values in a single label text, or uh, it's also applicable for labels like alignment labels, point labels, pipe labels. We can add multiple reference text to a single entity. So how we can do it? Let's learn. First, we'll go with the surface, like how to add two different surface values in single label. Okay, I'll go with the spot elevation. I'll add label. Okay, so this is the one label style. Okay, here it's a proposed label, right? So I want also existing label. So what we can do, we can create one label style. Okay, I will edit this label only in layout. First, I'll name this as a FG. Okay, as it's a finished grade. Okay, I hit OK. After that, here the trick is you have to just drop down this A plus, and here you choose this last option, reference text. Okay, in this reference text, we'll choose like a surface. Okay, so as I said, you can do it for alignment, point, parcel, profile, and survey figures also. For now, I need a surface, right? I'll choose surface. In surface, I'll name it as EG, and in label text in content we'll go edit our data. EG. Here I want like surface elevation. I'll add it and reduce its frequency to precision to 20G. I'll hit OK. Now you can see in preview it's just showing adjacent, so that's why we have to change the anchor component to our surface elevation. Okay, so here we'll choose bottom left. Okay, I hit anchor local profile. Okay, you can see our label text now has been updated. So as you see, there is a just showing its question mark. So what we do, we'll select our label style in a property tab. Okay, if you don't see it, if you're not able to see your property tab, just press Ctrl 1. Okay, you will able to open this. So here in the first option is first text is there, naming reference text objects. Okay, here we just need to select our surface, existing surface. So as you see, our reference text now came up. You can similarly do for like alignment also. In just you have to select there in reference text, just select alignment, station or whatever you want. Okay, you can do similar. If you want, I'll create one more for that. Let's select an alignment, add label. So this is a one label style which we created for alignment. Here, what I'll do, I'll add one another reference for road B. Okay, for road B, I'll add go to edit and credit. Here, we'll edit. So we'll go edit this label. Here we'll add one reference text, alignment only. I'll name it as alignment 2. Okay, and here I want station value. I'll hit OK. And here anchor component field, I'll choose station bottom left. I'll hit OK. Okay. Similarly, now You just select reference text object will appear. I'll choose alignment B. You can see alignment to station has appeared. So I hope it will came handy in your doing presentation work. So for more such content, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for like more helpful content like this. Thank you guys. Happy learning. Bye.